learn too many names, Anna. I have to school primary to second grade. I do read to science.
What are some habitats?
Ocean, mountain, desert.
Okay, so there's many different habitats. We're going to learn about some new ones here. Okay. And we're going to also, this lesson's going to be about plants in different habitats. Some plants, they can't grow in certain habitats. Plants need a habitat where they have everything they need, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We have a long video. It's about 10 minutes, 11 minutes almost, on habitats. And we're going to look at that, plants and habitats, okay?
Okay.
A new lesson. Okay, our topic, plant habitat for our science lesson.
We watched a video, we went over about plants in different habitats. And the first one, we're going to do a matching game. So the first one is what lives in the woodlands?
Ivy and Opie.
There were birch bluebells.
All right, and we have, what's this called? I forget what this one's called. What's this one called?
Wow.
We ran out of glue. Edward shirts this one. It's called crocuses.
Crocuses. My bow and Simmery go to ocean.
Seaweed. Okay.
Seaweed.
All right.
Seaweed, take one eat cactus.
Yeah, and this one is aloe vera. And this one's a palm tree. These all go in the desert.
Palm tree, they go in the desert.
All right.
These go to the desert.
Draw. You drew that one. You knew the answer?
Yes.
Cactus, right? But that says cacti because it's what?
Cacti.
And this one's easy. Look, it says C, kale, and C side. So it's C and C, right?
Yes. Yeah, it's really easy.
Okay.
Can I do first?
Yeah. You know the answer?
Yes. Elephant. Yeah. Elephant. Oh, I do already. No, look, this one the cow. I do come to here.
Okay, it's under the sea. Okay, I didn't know that. Kelp grows under the sea. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know. Okay, you're right. Dad didn't know. Good job.
How you don't know?
Because you guys watched the video while I was printing worksheets and looking at the lesson. Okay. All right. So why do you think that there's many plants near the water? Why do you think many plants choose water as a habitat?
Because they say people, they have heart. They need to eat water.
They're plants, they're not people. What do plants need to grow?
Water and soil.
Yeah, and sun. All plants need water, right?
Sun.
See-
And sun.
So lots of plants grow around the water, right? Where there's water, there's going to be lots of plants, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Some plants live in the hot desert. It's very dry here. How can plants live with very little water? Okay, so some of the plants we had that were in the desert, right? These like cactus and stuff. They live with very little water. They don't need very much water, the plants that are in the desert. They live with, and that's why their skin's hard and prickly and they store water inside. The aloe vera, it has gel inside, right? So it's a special kind of plants that live in the desert because there's very little water. And they store the water that they can find inside their body. Same like the cactus has water inside of it. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Davis, and we will do this lesson another time with experiment because we have a magnifying glass too. But we're doing this lesson late at night because it says go outside and find places where plants grow. Against the wall, in a shady place, in a wet place, in a dry pathway, under something, in a pot plant. Okay? So this weekend we will look around at places that plants grow and we will draw them in. But now we can just pretend, okay?
Okay.
So let's use the experiment. Let's draw this tree. Okay?
Okay.
And then we'll answer the questions. So let's go ahead. Draw your tree, what you found. Okay?
Okay.
And answer the questions.
Okay, I do understand that. Tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so your tree, does it have soil?
Yes.
Does it have water?
Yes.
Does it have light?
Yes.
What's its habitat?
What a habitat. It means the tree they're near water.
It's in the forest.
In the forest.
Near water, right?
Near water, yeah.
Okay. So you're going to circle yes, yes, yes. You want to finish fast?
Yeah. I can't eat. I want to have time.
In the forest? That's fine. It says different plants like different habitats. This means in most parts of planet Earth we can find plants. But these pictures show places where plants don't grow. Okay, this one's like very dark, and this one there's no water. Okay. Can not plants not grow here?
Different too hot, different too cold.
Okay, and there's no water. This one have water, but probably not have light. Okay, so where else? Alec might know. Alec, where is somewhere else that plants cannot grow? Or actually, Anna first. You know somewhere that plants cannot grow? Other places? No, do you know more places?
No.
Okay, Alec, what do you think?
Volcano moon.
Volcano, the moon. Maybe up in like a high mountain where there's no water or it's very cold, right?
Yeah, like Mount Everest.
Okay. Okay. Pondweed needs a habitat underwater in a pond, lake, or river. It needs light. It must not get very cold. Okay. Cactus needs a habitat which is very hot. It needs light. It needs very little water.
Really little water?
So I think you're understanding most of the stuff in the workbook. Is this easy?
Yes.
Yes.
Easy.
Okay. So we're just going to move on to the workbook and we'll finish Science Week 2. And if there's anything to review, we will later. Okay? This plant, it needs light, water, soil, and air, right?
Yes.
So go ahead, draw the habitat. Draw some stuff around to make the habitat. Let's draw some light.
Okay, I gotta draw some light. Nia, you need to be Nia.
What do you got? Okay, so look. Here's your label. Right here. Light. How do you spell light?
Light. L-I-G-H-T.
Okay, go ahead. Write light.
L-I-G-H-T.
Okay, so draw some air.
L-I-G-H-T. Huh?
Some air.
Some air. I can draw.
Okay, here you go. Label it air.
Okay, I need to draw. I'm doing.
Okay, draw some soil.
Soil? Okay. Woo!
Okay, label it.
Soil.
Okay, and draw some water.
Water.
This one, you just need to circle which ones the plants need to grow.
Science and water and light.
Okay.
Sun and sun. Sun need to come near because there's
Okay.
light.
A glass house is a house made of glass for plants to grow in. Draw what you would put inside this glass house to make it a good place for plants. Label the things you draw. Okay.
And light and two.
Okay. All right, let's look at the next page. Some habitats are good for plants. Here, plants will grow. Some habitats are not good for plants. Here, plants will not grow. Some habitats are so bad for plants, they won't grow at all. Look at these 3 habitats. Very cold, by a river, hot desert. Marcus plants a seed in each habitat. Okay? So he puts a seed in each one. Very cold, by a river, and in the hot desert. There's a seed in each one. Let's see what it says next. Complete these sentences to say how the seeds will grow. Use these 3 words, okay? That's it. That's all you got left, is just fill in the blanks. In the hot desert, the seed will die. Okay, right, die. In the cold habitat, the seed will
die again.
by a river, the seed will grow. Okay. By the river grows because it has
Water.
water.
Okay, Philip, we choose that and thank you. One video. Don't forget to follow me. Bye. See you next time.